After a period of 10 years, a man is believed to have gathered enough experience to exit Moranhood. We continue this series, Modern Maasai, with an episode called Domestic Ties. You can check episode 1, Who Can Be Maasai, on my YouTube channel and the link on this video's description. My name is Teto Ol'Aimerri. Most rites of passage crucial to the development of an individual will have been commensurated, and preparations for the subsequent age group initiation to Moranhood very probably could have commenced. That is by the time one exits Moranhood. A woman, on the other hand, will be married to a suitor who booked them immediately they are circumcised. This booking is very binding. Sometimes it was the lady's mother who received the branding of desire in the form of a mark on her pregnant belly before she gives birth. Just so if the baby is a girl, the man who marked the mother becomes the suitor for themselves or their kin. The girl's father, in the absence of a booking, may decide to betroth his daughter to whoever he may fancy. Most often, the beneficiaries were close allies of the bride's family, sometimes up to 4 generations, both lineages having women for wives from the other particular lineage. The importance of this was to foster domestic stability, guarantee providence, and provide social security. Even today, the establishment of family ties between people from the groom's or bride's side is crucial, something which is becoming extinct. Don't you agree? At specific prior arranged dates, menfolk from both families meet to commence dowry arrangements and agreement. First in one homestead, next at the other. Pleasantries and gifts are exchanged in these meetings, as well as bride price agreed. You can learn more about the dowry details in our online course, 30 Days Spoken Maasai Language and Culture Orientation. Immediately after the bridal negotiations, a ceremony is planned and the bride gets married soon after, and a new family begins. Please follow this profile, Teto Ol'Aimerri, all over socials to find out more regarding Modern Maasai. Subscribe to the channel on YouTube and check out episode 1, Who Can Be Maasai? Link to that episode on this video description.